So I'm not going to like this coming out the other end. There you go. Yeah, look, crying. It's official. Crying on YouTube. I'm back down here with my family. As you can see, the fire's already going. The kettle's already been on because it's, you know, storms everywhere at the moment hitting the UK. Got my cup of tea. Thank you. So again, why am I here? I'll tell you why I'm here. Because there's an eating challenge and I like food. As you can tell by my non-six packs body, you know, my out of breathness when I'm just walking downhill. There's a few guys in the bushcraft community that are reckon these are really, really spicy hot and are challenging people to actually eat them and get through it. So here we are. I've ordered some off Amazon and I'll get them cooked up in a minute. And then we can just watch me sweat, cry maybe, I'm not sure. I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna get through it. Without further ado, let's cook them up. There we are then. Please excuse the tactical blue tarp system there. It is to try and keep my wood dry as possible. So, I had something for Christmas, not yet used. My son bought me this. Very nice of him. And this is what I'm going to cook my noodles in. Okay. Comes with a frying pan in there as well. I'm not going to get that out because I'm only going to cook it in this here. Nice little pot. Beautiful. Beautiful. Smoke in my eyes. Okay.
Can you do this, Harry?
So, excuse my daughters arguing over nothing. So I've got some sauce there, and I've got some ingredients there. So I'm going to pour some hot water in. It says. That's enough, isn't it? Or too much. Put the hole of this in. God, that doesn't look too bloody healthy. It's black. What do I do? Stick this in now? Let's go in now. I don't care. Okay, we'll do the 4-finger Watson, about 3 fingers deep.
Thank you.
Let's get it on. Should let that cool down. Definitely got a kick to it. Might use a spoon. Oh, I don't know. Take ages to get through this. Oh, Christ. It tastes like an artificial spice. It doesn't taste like a jalapeno spice. It's almost as if it's been genetically modified to taste like that. Oh. My nose is running and my eyes are watering. Oh, nose is running loads now. See my eyes watering? Oh, food in the face, don't win the waste. Oh.
It's not a real knife, is it? It's a letter, isn't it, I think?
It's all good. Like I said, it's just an artificial, it tastes like an artificial spice rather than something tasty. If that makes any sense. Try it out. Because I made a load of juice with it, I'm going to have to drink that now, aren't I? Can you see that? I feel a tear. I feel a tear in my eye. Changing weapons. I'm going to have to drink it. There you go. Still got half left in there. Just poured it in there so I could drink. I always make my noodles bloody too watery. Yeah, definitely spicy. Lips are now burning. Oh, good garden peas. Look at that, it's just staining like bright orange. Like blowing's gonna make a difference. Yeah, I need to get those wet wipes in the freezer later, I think. So I'm not going to like this coming out the other end. There you go. Yeah, look, crying. It's official. Crying on YouTube. Keeping it there for effect. This is just getting worse and worse. Oh. Oh. Right, act manly, wipe the tear away. This is hard work. I thought it was going to be easy. When I got through the noodles fine, it's the juice at the end. I should have just... That's the worst bit, drinking this. That juice is spicy. Okay, last bowl. Yeah, I do apologise to people that's watching, expecting some bushcraft stuff. Here, here's a fire pit. My wife cooking. The outdoor kitchen, you know. Where else should she be?
Skills?
You know.
A kid's trying to make a bag.
Need tissue.
You can bring tissue.
As a matter of fact.
Oh, I think I've got a pack in there actually.
Always need gold dust. Never leave home without it. They start off fine. I'm dreading this last bowl. It just gets worse and worse as you get through it. Benny, I understand what you're on about, mate. Yeah, bright orange. This bowl's got all the little black bits at the bottom of it, so I'm assuming it's going to blow my head off. My wife's laughing at me.
God, no. I look like an idiot with this towel.
You should see yourself when you take it off.
Oh, shut up!
Good one, Dad.
Oh, that's got up my nose.
Oh no.
It's
Think I'm gonna
looking really
sneeze.
good. My nose is running. I haven't even eaten anything.
Same.
Yeah, they were ridiculous. Thank you. But thank you, Benny, for suggesting, because it made me laugh the way you reacted to it. I can understand why now. Okay. Yeah, it's going to take a few days to get over this because you've got to digest and then it's got to come out. So I'm going to firmly place some toilet tissue in the fridge, ready for that day for the hot stuff to come out the back door. Thank you very much for the nomination. I hope you enjoyed seeing me cry on camera. My lips are burning. I'm dreading what my sphincter's thinking now, because that's waiting to come out at some point. You've been watching Green Valley Outdoors. I'm not going to cry, I'm just going to catch you at the next one.